Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson guys. And if your AC does not work because of a bad AC pressure switch, we'll explain what you need to do to replace it. You need to do one thing or you can severely damage your skin, yourself, your eyes. So you have to be extremely careful because you can injure yourself pretty bad. Now, we'll be demonstrating on a 2.4 GDI engine that has been used through the years, but even if you have a different engine, different generation Hyundai Tucson, the video may be helpful in locating the AC pressure switch to find out where it's located and how to replace it as well. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to take them completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So this right here guys is the 2.4 GDI engine. So let's explain how the AC system works. You have AC compressor, right? Okay, that's the AC compressor. You have the AC condenser, that's where the Freon gets cooled guys, okay, and there is a sensor on the lines that actually tells you, tells the engine computer that you have enough pressure in the AC system to activate the compressor. Otherwise the compressor will not activate because it doesn't want to damage it. Now this is known as an AC pressure switch. If that switch is bad or not working, what will happen guys? The AC compressor will not run because the AC computer will not turn it on. Now, in order to replace that thing, unfortunately, you have to drain the AC system completely, guys. No Freon. So, don't drain in the atmosphere. First, it's illegal. Second, you can get a huge fine. Third, you can go to a AC shop, guys, for a small fee. They hook it up to your machine and drain it. Or I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below to the machine if you need to buy one, how you can drain your system. Once it's completely drained, plug in the gauges, verify that you have absolutely zero pressure guys. This is the switch. You need to disconnect the wire. Then on the bottom you need to hold the line here, because if you don't hold it you will twist it and break your AC line, which is expensive to replace. 24mm socket and we'll just get it loose. Now we will explain why we had to pre-drain the system, because there is no valve to actually catch the pressure. On some vehicles we've done, there is a valve that will prevent pressure from coming out. On this one it's not, it's just an empty pipe, and that's the AC pressure switch that will make AC not to work. We'll have a video actually on the channel that will explain how to test AC pressure switch. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having to do that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.